Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford Transit injectors. First, you will need to gather your specialized tools, including an injector puller and a slide hammer, which are crucial for this task. Always ensure the engine is completely cool before you start. Disconnect the vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical issues. Finally, thoroughly clean the area around each injector to prevent debris from entering the engine during removal. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Next, we move on to disconnecting the various components. Carefully remove the high-pressure fuel lines from each injector, being mindful of any residual fuel. Then, disconnect all electrical connectors from the injectors. These often have small clips. Proceed to remove any retaining clips or bolts that secure the injectors in place. Always use the appropriate wrenches and tools to avoid damaging any fittings or components during this delicate stage. Now for the extraction. Attach the specialized injector puller tool securely to the injector. For stubborn or seized injectors, a slide hammer or a hydraulic puller is often necessary to apply controlled force. If an injector is particularly stuck, apply penetrating oil and gently twist it back and forth to help loosen it. Remember to work slowly and carefully throughout this process to prevent any damage to the injector bore or the cylinder head. After successfully removing the injectors, inspect the injector bores for any debris or carbon buildup and clean them thoroughly. It is absolutely critical to always replace the copper washers and O-rings with new ones to ensure a proper seal upon reinstallation. Lubricate the new injectors and their retaining bolts before fitting them. If you encounter extremely seized injectors that resist your efforts, consider seeking professional assistance to avoid costly damage to your engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.